Bonjour à tous, welcome back to your class. So, aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre les nombres. Today, we're going to learn the numbers from 0 to 20. In French, we have only 60 designated numbers. Apparently, the French people were not able to crack more than 60 digits, unlike English. So, in this lesson, we have mentioned the number and how you write in French and how you pronounce it in French. Okay, so let's start. So 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. So you can see that from 17, 18 and 19, so you just need to mention these 10 plus 7, 10 plus 8 and 10 plus 9. So that become these set, these 8, these 9. So let's start it again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So these are the numbers from 0 to 20. In our next video, I will mention from 20 to 60 numbers. So if you like this video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.